Animal Kingdom Day. First time in the whole trip, so looking forward to get on Flight of Passage and Everest, although we're all a little tired today. We were chatting this morning, not 10 minutes ago, but she's woken up now on the bus. Really excited to ride. I think Everest is her favourite, isn't it? Well, she hasn't been on it yet, but she's excited to ride Everest. Because we're excited to ride Flight of Passage, aren't we?
No, I want to go Everest.
You want to go on Everest as well? Oh, well, I'm excited to ride Flight of Passage. We've never done it before, so let's see what it's like.
Okay, sealed genetic matching room. Okay, Dr. Stevens, they're ready.
Can everyone see me? Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're gonna have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're gonna do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. All right, everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. you've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stay still over your number, you're not gonna feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
They're all clear.
Great. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Na'vi. They're created by blending human DNA and Na'vi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. Over a generation ago, this enormous company called the RDA created a lot of damage to the area through their bad mining practices and conflicts with the Na'vi. Just like on Earth, it can take decades for ecosystems to recover. One way to understand what's going on with an ecosystem is to study what are called keystone species. These are animals like tigers, jaguars, seals. The banshee is one of these important animals. Dr. Ogden is the foremost expert on studying the ikran and has spent years researching them. Unfortunately, banshees live high in rookeries and humans can't get anywhere near them without becoming their lunch. But the Na'vi and avatars can. In fact, the Na'vi have been riding on the backs of banshees since their earliest history. Thanks to science, avatars can ride on banshees too. That's why you're linking to an avatar. It was Dr. Ogden who restarted the Avatar program. It's because of her that you're able to go through this rite of passage today. Pandora is a breathtaking natural world. I cannot wait for you guys to see it for yourselves. So, let's get ready for our next... Huh? I'll be right back. Put the standby system on, quickly. Okay, to get you flying on a Banshee, we need to find each of you an avatar. Let's prep the genetic sampling.
I'm on it.
Okay, first we need to find the compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. Once we do that, you'll be able to link to that avatar and fly. Help us out and move around a bit. Almost. Yes, got him. Now, let's find you your avatar matches.
I'm matched. I'm matched to her. Email. We're matched.
All right, you've all been matched with avatars. Looks like they're ready for you in the next room. When the door opens, please go inside, all the way in, and stand over the same number that you're standing over now. And I'll see you in there.
And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, durante toda esta experiencia deberán permanecer sentados, inclinarse hacia adelante, agarrar.
Avatar done, that was awesome, so good. The kids weren't that keen, especially Isla. She
What's Isla's verdict?
wasn't really feeling it. A bit scary for her, but you liked it, didn't you? It was a long wait. I'd say if the wait's over an hour, I probably wouldn't do it, but it was cool. Like, the technology's incredible, and the ride itself is just phenomenal. Wait times, I'm not sure it's worth it. No, thank you. Rude not to get some. Rude not to get some Avatar themed food and drink. This area is really cool. It's a nice chill out area. I think there's air conditioning on the inside seating. A decent menu by the looks of it. Satuli bowl. Looks nice. Such cool theming. We're on the hunt for some Simba ears. Let's see what they've got. Loads of Avatar stuff. Oh, they're nice. That'll do for the surprise second part of our holiday. That the kids don't know about. Loads of Lion King gear. Ellie's favourite.
Attention Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag in front of you. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the plane. And please supervise children. Miembros del equipo de expedición.
What do you think?
That was so cool.
I want to go it again.
It was so cool. We love Everest. Better than I remember, actually.
Yeah, was that
Better than I thought it was. I forgot that Yeti bit inside. I didn't like remember that at all. It was awesome. I didn't lose my hat either. Heading to Rafiki's Planet Watch. We've never done this before. I think we've got to get the train across. And then there's a kind of petting zoo and I think some drawing, like a drawing school. So we're going to give that a go today. Quick journey. Looks like they're every half an hour, the sketch times. So we're going to catch the 11:30. See some animals first, hopefully. Over there is the petting zoo type thing. I think in here is the drawing experience. There we go.
Something easy. Right.
It's a conservation station. Please gather your personal belongings before exiting. And remember to take your artwork with you. We hope you
I had a couple of hours at the pool. We made our way to Epcot. So we're going to try and eat around the world. Well, get a few snacks around the world, aren't we?
Yeah.
See the fireworks. And then
Stay awake.
head home ready for an early start for Animal Kingdom again tomorrow. But let's see how we get on. We've decided we're going to try and get a table at one of the restaurants in Morocco ready for the fireworks. But we're going to have a little wander around and maybe try some foods as well. So currently in Japan, on the hunt for some gyoza. Okay, we learned something tonight. There isn't that many options for food. I mean, sit down stuff there is quite a lot at Epcot, but last time we were here, a couple of years ago, it was food and wine at the time, and it was just food everywhere. You could get as much as you want. There was loads of little picky bits and loads of tasting stuff, and every stall had food on. Now we're really struggling to find stuff that we'd like to eat. So we're going to head back to towards France, so to Morocco. Try and get a nice table in a restaurant by the lake for the fireworks. So there's breads and stuff on there, isn't there, that we like, and yeah, hopefully get a view of the fireworks while we're sat in a bit of comfort, because the other night we were sat on a bin, weren't we, and it wasn't ideal. We ended up in Spice Road table. Yeah, we requested the firework view, and the lady very kindly accommodated, so let me show you. You should be able to see quite well from here. Now let's have a look at the menu.
Okay.
Tagine, hummus, calamari, kefta, cheese-filled phyllo, cucumber tomato relish, naan spreads, spicy shrimp, pomegranate chili crispy cauliflower, spiced chicken, olmas, spiced road table sampler, and then dessert platter. So it was pretty good, but the main thing is we've got the fireworks and sitting down, so don't really care what the food's like. Looks nice, doesn't it? Nice, and then the ball is lit up as well. You can just see the Epcot ball. Great spot for fireworks. What looks like some nice food. Heading back on the skyline, back to Pop. That was a bit of a hack, wasn't it, going into that Moroccan restaurant?
Yeah.
And watching the fireworks in there. I think that was a really good spot. But food, I think it was like $50, was it?
Yeah, for one plate.
Quite cheap. Yeah. Really good spot. Just all shattered now, as you can see. They cut the man down. Going morning from another beautiful day in Orlando, Florida. Look at that. The sky is off for some reason, not sure why, but it is beautiful today. We are heading to Animal Kingdom once everyone wakes up. That is an early start at Animal Kingdom. That's a 7:30 open for part 4. Jeez, I can't talk, I'm too tired. We're heading to Animal Kingdom today. That's a 7:30 open for hotel guests, so I don't think we're going to make that. It's 7 o'clock now. I'm up and showered. We've decided to give the kids a bit of a lie-in because it was a late night watching the Epcot fireworks. I've got my Animal Kingdom shirt on and my squeaky shoes still squeaking away. I've got to say, ons are super comfortable for theme parks, but mine for some reason squeak. I think it's the way I walk, because the rest of the party have got them and they don't squeak. So yeah, I'm just heading over to get some coffees, see what happens when I get back, see if the guys wake up, and if they do, we'll get the bus over to Animal Kingdom. We want to do Everest again because it was amazing yesterday, and we want to do the Lion King show and the safari. Coffee's acquired, heading back to the room. I think Lisa is awake, so let's see if she wants to wake the kids up and get over to Animal Kingdom and try and get on some rides. The main thing I forgot to say was we actually are going to Tuskers' house. We've got a 10:30 or 11 o'clock booking at Tuskers' house for breakfast, so that's character dining. That kind of completes our trio of character dinings on this trip. So we've done Ohana with Stitch and friends. We did Artist Point, which was Snow White and the 2 dwarves, and then and the witch, actually, the Evil Queen. She was very good. She was very funny. And then today we've got Tuskers' house, which is Mickey, Minnie, Donald, some others, I think, in safari outfits because it's at Animal Kingdom. So that'll be good. That's another all you care to eat, which means I get greedy and eat too much and then feel rubbish for the rest of the day. But let's see how I get on. I might be a bit more restrained today. We did Woody and Woody's barbecue at Hollywood Studios, and that was delicious, and I was a bit more controlled, shall we say, so I might do that again today. And I've also speculatively booked a return time for Guardians today with Group 70, which is like the latest. Normally we use the 24-hour clock, the accurate clock, to get on there. I just did it off the iPhone today, and you do get a bit later, but we still got one, so but I reckon that'll be about 1 o'clock. We probably get called, or maybe 12, probably 12 o'clock we'll get called, and then 1 o'clock we'll have to use it. So who knows, we may be done with Animal Kingdom by that time and get over there, but if not, I'll just leave the queue, so obviously someone else can.
I love to point out some of these birds. Behind me we have 2 sets of macaws. Hi guys.
We're here at Tuskers' house. It seems to be some kind of buffet where you can... Yeah,
What are you doing? Slow down, slow down! I'm supposed to be center stage! Who's driving this thing? Oh! Hello, Pumbaa! Look at me! I'm in a parade! And you're looking good! Love you, Pumbaa! Oh, I just can't wait to Hi, everybody. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. At the bottom of the evolutionary ladder. Let's hear it for the Tumble Monkey.
Tenacity spanning the gate.
Bongos are used for backwards facing horns the way to cooking and quietly run through really thick. On our left-hand side of the back rock wall is a black rhino. Black rhinos are the smallest. They can hold their breath up to 8 minutes at a time. You need to come up for air. We see a couple of these Maasai giraffe on the hillside here. Maasai giraffe are the largest giraffe species. As a tower of giraffes.
A baby
It's based primarily on their ears. Their ears are quite a bit bigger than any other species.
You see him?
Now we're going to see that massive trunk of hairs.
Look back. Look back there. Look the other way.
On our left-hand side, we see a couple of white rhinos over here. White rhinos are the largest of the two-horned rhino species. Anywhere from around over their ears independently of one another and rotate them 180 degrees on top of their heads.
We just got up there somewhere.
We couldn't resist one more firework display, could we, at the Magic Kingdom? So we've come to Casey's Corner, some dinner, and then we're going to catch the fireworks one last time before we go home day after tomorrow. Name a better walk than that. Name a better walk than that. Hollywood Studios. Some nostalgia tonight. We're going on. There he goes. And with this bad driver. Whoa! Wait! Looks so cool. This area is sick. Decisions. It's all about how to spend your pennies in here. We've got dolls, now we're looking at pushes. Getting ready for the fireworks. vantage point tonight for an early exit. Hopefully we can escape onto the bus pretty quick. Morning, last day today. So we're heading to Hollywood Studios. We're not going to make rope drop. It's not happening. Even I didn't wake up till 7:30, something like that, which is very unlike me. So obviously needed it. The fireworks last night were fantastic. Much better. We got a really good view down at the back of Main Street. So on the sort of roundabout where the parade goes round in front of the station. That's a really good central spot with good speakers. So heading over to just get a quick coffee in the resort mugs to power us up, and then we're going to get the skyline over to Hollywood Studios. There's a few rides we haven't done, so Rise is one of them. I want to get that done. Rock and Roller Coaster maybe, it's only 3 of our party can go on it, but 5 of our party can go on it, but whether I want to, I don't know. The queue times have been huge because it's just had that sort of makeover, so it seems like it's popular again. But yeah, it looks like it's going to be a really hot day for our last day, or last day that the kids know we've got a little surprise for them, so we'll see more of that tomorrow. Join the queue for Rise. Despite early entry, it's still an hour wait, so let's see how quickly it really goes.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Nom and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe.
You are clear for launch. Pokhara personnel, this is your final call and more.
Hold on now.
Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready. Are you ready? You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? What is that? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor.
Prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing.
Stop right here. Single file along the line. How about mind you, please?
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance and the resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Stay back, don't move! We're with the
force be with you.
May the force be with you.
Speak to legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We're breaching the touching 1-3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detection is never routine.
Take cover, recruits! If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pod's just below us! Wait, why are you going up? I said down, up is bad. Up is real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Stop, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Resistance personnel, abandoned ship. I repeat, abandoned ship. This destroyer's about to...
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
The location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo!
There it is.
This is the group I've been waiting for. Yes. Come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is bad, dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so harmless I can send my friends into danger? You insult my honor. I believe you have very little honor to insult. We'll talk later.
I have to do everything around here.
I love.
the fall.
Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Onaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make hondos of money.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Alright, crew, make sure all bags
On the right, pull back on the stick to fly out. And push back to fly out. Ready to jump to light speed. Those heavy guards are protecting the train. Take them out. Fire! They've got on to us. Take evasive action. Now, shoot at cargo free. The pilot brakes. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Fire the harpoons and clean up. Gunners, shoot the train. Good job, my friend. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Stored up and made Chewie proud. Now I have to buy.
We did it, team! We survived! So that's Rise and Smugglers done. What do you think, Rise is better, yeah? Better than Smugglers Run. Even though you're a great pilot. Very good pilot. We're going to get ourselves a Ronto raft that we've heard so much about. I think we'll get one to share. See how we get on. So here's the breakfast Ronto wrap. I think it's got egg, sausage, cheese, and a pita. That's pretty good. And then we just go to the corner where they serve. We got some ice water as well, which is nice. So let's get this going. What do we think of the Ronto wrap? Good? Right, good. What do you think? Nice. Galaxy's Edge to Toy Story. Ride time's crazy again today. Slinky Dog's up at I think 80. Even Swirling Saucers is 35. Toy Story Mania is 65. So we're gonna try and get on Rockin', which is I think 70. Which is, but a good hack is you can do a rider swap. So two of the adults go on with the 10-year-old, and then the other two can go on again with the 10-year-old.
not from that. Yeah, maybe. It's on my screen from Snow.
There's two rows here. And we have the first two rows.
You two going in the front, yeah, mommy's let you go in the back.
That was the chicken wings and pickles, which are absolutely delicious. I don't know if it's because they started, but they taste good. I should have showed you before. We've got a mac and cheese connoisseur with us today, ranking all the mac and cheese in Disney. So what's the best though? Sorry, what did you say?
The one with the aliens playing the piano.
Cosmic Rays is the best, and then second best is
the hotel.
So Pop Century is second. What about Roundup Rodeo?
Yeah. I don't like Slinky Dog.
You didn't like Slinky
You didn't like it?
Because it had those seasonings. I didn't like the seasoning.
Okay, you like plain mac and cheese.
Yeah.
So
But so with the cheese.
The brighter orange, the better.
I went for the classic burger. We got a chicken and bacon croissant with chips, and then the kids' meal is you get a main and two sides. So got mac and cheese and corn and chips, and a burger, chips and corn. Let's see what this is like. Time for Fantasmic. Well, not quite. It's 20 past 8, and we've been told to get here at 8:30, so a little bit early. The show starts at 9. Look at that blue sky. We just had a thunderstorm, and it's gone beautiful. What do you think of that? It was so good. So good. What a view that is. Oh, last time. Last day. It's so sad. Bye Hollywood Studios. Until next time.